Imagine this scenario when your father-in-law just lands in your home, all sweating and feeling heaviness in his chest. You are alone in the house but realize this could be something serious. I remember this scene clearly from my life when my father-in-law suffered a heart attack. Luckily, with timely intervention, his life was saved. As a young working couple, our biggest concern was, what if something happens to him when we are not around? Also, how do we know when to rush him? Is the jaw pain a serious symptom too? Is gastric pain serious too? We had no clue. In India, every year, approximately 4 crore people lose their lives to heart attacks as they don't reach the hospital on time, or they ignore the initial symptoms and wait till it's too late. During a heart attack, to get the best idea of its intensity, an ECG scan should be done within 1 hour, which is called the golden window or the golden hour. After father-in-law's attack, my husband's innovative mind started racing. We wanted to design a device which would help a heart patient take a quick call based on informed decision. Should I rush to the hospital, or should I just take a painkiller and take rest at home? It had to be ultra compact and portable so that the patient could carry it everywhere. Also, it should be medical grade and reliable so that it takes the real-time data of heart and can transmit it to the doctor, offering excellent patient-doctor connectivity. Sadly, most of the devices available in the market were either too bulky or costly, intended for only hospital use, or they were inaccurate, cheap devices with no medical grade quality at all. From childhood, I always harbored a dream. I wanted to be an entrepreneur. I quickly decided to join him in this research, and we designed Sanket Life with all the features that we wanted. After 3 years of hard work, Sanket Life Beta was ready. It was the size of a car keychain, took vital cardiac data like ECG, could quickly interpret it, transmit it to the doctor, and help reach diagnosis for any cardiac related ailment. Now, we had a first of its kind pocket ECG device which works just by touch, is connected to a mobile phone, and can connect you to a doctor instantly. This means ECG could be taken anytime from anywhere and by anyone. But the question in our minds was, now that it's ready, how do we sell it? At this stage, funding and getting investors who believed in our product was also a huge challenge. Most investors saw the device and asked us, what is the go-to-market strategy? Since we both are engineers, mostly coding and building software and electronics products, this term was very new for us. We had no idea about the go-to-market strategy for a pocket-sized, easy-to-use connected ECG device which was first of its kind. The story of our first sale is also quite interesting. Once, while going through some of the online sales leads, I found a person who wanted easy ECG device. As luck would have it, he was a leading cardiologist from South Delhi. He saw our device and got excited, and he felt he could give the device to his patients and his patients could share their ECGs with him whenever they showed any symptoms. He took out his checkbook and wrote out a check of 25,000. He also gave us 10 days to make the changes in the software and deliver the device to his clinic. Taking the check, we came out of his clinic, sat in our car, looked at each other and asked the same question. Did we just made our first sale? Since that day, we also learned a big lesson in entrepreneurship, that happy customers are your biggest influencers, as they will just not help you to improve the product to fit the market needs, but also design the right sales strategy and marketing plan. Having a very small team, we knew we could not meet each and every doctor and sell to them directly. So we thought, why not use the power of technology? We decided to put the device on several e-commerce platforms like Amazon and our own web store. users across the country, including patients, surgeons, yoga instructors, athletes, and even healthy people who wanted to use it as a preventive measure to monitor heart rate variability, started buying Sanket Life. Sanket Life started getting traction, as did my dream of becoming an entrepreneur. Looking back, a product that we innovated for our personal problem has gone on to save several lives. This makes us proud. Sanket Life could not claim to be a true Indian innovation until it was both designed and manufactured in India. From being a single lead 3D printed ugly looking device to an artificial intelligence enabled 12 lead compact medically approved ECG device, the journey was long and challenging. Starting from a prototype which was so frugal that we had to pack it in cardboard boxes, actually matchboxes, to today where we are shipping our devices across the globe. Today, Sanket Life has several users across the world. Sanket Life is saving real lives, and every day we receive stories from users both urban and rural areas who thank us. I am proud to say that Sanket Life is a truly made in India, made for the world product which solves a universal problem. Our mission is that no life should be lost because somebody could not reach hospital in good time. Thank you so much.